Okay, we are back. Another 150 interview questions. We have Sonic right here. The last question was threesome, and at the time we were waiting for ChatGPT to come up with a thumbnail. Well, after like 4 minutes, it finally came out. We'll take a look at it. Now let me know which one y'all like better, this one or that one. So let's go back. Boom or boom. Oh, let's see. Whichever one I choose for a thumbnail, you saw both of them here. Today's question is, now we're done with the 2 pointers. We're moving down to the sliding window. And this one is marked medium. So let's go ahead and we'll copy from the bottom to the top. Bottom to the top. And we will throw this in here and see what Gemini comes up with. And hopefully we can go back to chat one day, but for right now it needs some work.
Okay, let's solve LeetCode problem 209. Minimum size subarray sum. Problem summary. We are given a list of positive numbers and a target number. Our goal is to find the shortest continuous section, subarray, within the list whose sum is greater than or equal to the target. If no such subarray exists, we should return 0. Now, would you prefer a gaming story or an anime story for this problem solution? Alright, you've chosen a gaming story. Here's the Java solution with a high-tech, action-packed narrative. Gaming story. The year is 2077. Cybernet City is under siege by the Krill Swarm, and relentless wave of robotic attackers. Our elite hacker unit, Bitminers, has been tasked with deploying a powerful energy shield to protect the city's core. The shield requires a specific energy signature, represented by our target value. Each node in the city's power grid emits a fluctuating energy pulse, represented by the numbers in our nums array. To activate a temporary shield, we need to find a contiguous sequence of these energy pulses whose combined value meets or exceeds the target signature. Time is critical. We need to find the shortest sequence of power nodes to activate the shield as quickly as possible and repel the Krill Swarm. If no such sequence can generate enough energy, the city's core will be vulnerable. Our lead coder, Cypher, works furiously, analyzing the energy readings. With nimble fingers flying across the holographic keyboard, Cypher implements a sliding window algorithm to scan the energy pulses. The algorithm maintains a power accumulator and a window size. It expands the window, adding energy pulses until the accumulator reaches the target. Once the target is met, Cypher records the current window size as a potential minimum and then shrinks the window from the left, trying to find even shorter valid subarrays. The fate of Cybernet City rests on Cypher's ability to find the minimal energy sequence in time. Now, please provide a prompt for a custom thumb.
Okay, here we go. Let's just look through a code real quick. It's a short code. It's not too big.
Okay, here's a thumbnail prompt based on the gaming story and the established guidelines. Gaming thumbnail prompt. Imagine a neon-lit cityscape of Cybernet City in the background, with towering futuristic structures and glowing energy conduits. In the foreground, visualize a determined hacker, Cypher, with glowing cybernetic enhancements, furiously typing on a holographic interface. Energy pulses, represented by streaks of light, flow across the screen. A digital shield with a visible energy signature is briefly activating in the middle ground. Include a banner at the top that clearly reads LeetCode in a high-tech font, and below it, prominently display the text minimum size subarray sum in a bold, digital style. The overall mood should be action-packed and futuristic, with a sense of urgency.
Let's see what it comes up with. Whoa, that's fire. That is fire. I like that. In the next video, the ChatGPT version of it, because it is taking a long time to generate. And plus, alleviate suspense. Let's see which one is better. So moving forward, that's how we will roll. Let's go ahead and throw this code in here. Oops, that's not it. That's not it. Go back here, copy this code. Boom, run it. Hopefully Gemini can solve it, no problems. There we go. All 3 cases passed. Submit that. And our next interview question is substring without repeating characters. And this is a medium one. Stay tuned to the next one. Peace.